Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever customized a block in WordPress and thought, I wish I could apply the same look to all my blocks instantly, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to apply the same style to every block across your WordPress site. Easily, cleanly, and like a pro. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the official WordPress website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, click the login button at the top right corner of the page. Instead of typing your credentials manually, choose Continue with Google. This is not only faster, but also more secure and convenient, especially if you manage multiple sites or log in frequently. Now, pick the Google account that's connected to your WordPress website. Using your main work or business account keeps everything streamlined and easy to manage. Enter the site editor after you're logged in. You'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, find Visit Site, then click Edit Site. This will open up your site editor where you can start managing all your blocks visually. This is the part where all the creative magic happens, so make sure you're in the right site if you manage more than one. Inside the editor, click on any block you want to style. It could be a text block, image block, button, or anything else. Once you select a block, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see the settings panel appear. This panel is where you control everything about your block's appearance, from fonts and colors to spacing and borders. Go to Advanced Options now, scroll down in the settings panel until you find the Advanced section, click it to expand more options. Inside, you'll see a Styles panel. This is where you can fine-tune your design, adjusting typography, color palettes, margins, padding, and more. Customize your block until you're happy with the look. Here's the key part. Once you're satisfied with your custom style, look for the option that says Apply Globally. Click it, and just like that, your style will automatically apply to all similar blocks across your entire site. This saves you tons of time and ensures your website looks clean, cohesive, and professional, with consistent colors, fonts, and spacing everywhere. It's perfect for maintaining your brand identity without having to manually style every single block one by one. And that's it. You've just learned how to apply the same style to all blocks in WordPress the quick and efficient way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and web design tips. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover more advanced style settings or global theme customization. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.